Birdsongs. I'm scared of heights and beaks and talons, piercing eyes and sudden flybys, screeches in the dark and day. Why can't I keep my fears at bay? Yet should I not delight while standing on the highest peak, peering at the preened feathers the bird dons? And how much to my surprise it opens heaven's gate in play, in a home I pray I dwell someday. How easy would it be for gravity to take me down the mountainside, forever forgotten, caught in a rock slide, for no one to see, such a lonely depravity. Courage, I swear, will mend my wings before my dreadful dam of doubt springs, before the world will cease to sing the tender truth that bird songs bring. So wind and weave me while you can, while on this earth I still can stand. For in the air you'll find me soon, soaring between the sun and moon.